The LG V20 system, and today I'm doing a video about Alcatel APPRISE for Google Wireless. So this is a new budget phone for Google Wireless. This is an Android smartphone. So it's available now for $69.99. So this is what the Alcatel APPRISE look like. This is a budget phone, like I said, so do not expect a whole lot. And like I said, this has Android Go on there as well, so it's probably gonna have will not be great anyway. So you do have your front-facing camera, APPRISE, your screen, and on-screen buttons, power and volume keys on the back side of the phone. The left side of the phone you have this. I'm not sure what this is, a charging port, I don't know. I don't know what that is. And then on the back of the Alcatel APPRISE, you guys have a single rear camera phones, Alcatel logo, and quick up logo. Alright. So this is just a basic phone, and it's available in suede gray. Right? So it said Alcatel APPRISE delivered a simplified smartphone experience featuring a spacious 5.5-inch display, dedicated ecosystem button. Oh, that's what that is. That's what that is on my side of the phone. And 2-year warranty, which is nice. Read more news, check more social updates, and surf the web with ease thanks to the power-efficient battery, fast processor, secure and convenient face unlock and Android 10 camera edition. The 5-megapixel front and rear cameras allow you to capture memories and take quick, clear photos and videos anytime. With the 2-year manufacturer's warranty, you can feel confident that your purchase is protected. So you have a Google Assistant key on the left side of the phone, so it's nice. So the specimen is found, like I said, it is not great. This does have Android Go on there. So it has a 5.5-inch full view display, maximizes on-screen content. I'm gonna say the screen display is 720p. Durable design with dragon tail glass helps prevent scratches. 5-megapixel front and rear cameras with touch shot, beauty mode, and film filters. Up to 600 watts of storage. Both micro SD support up to 128 gigabytes. Face unlock for fast and convenient access. Power efficient 3000 mAh battery. Powerful quad-core processor with 4G LTE. Android 10 Go edition. All your favorite mobile apps streamlined to maximize your phone's memory. Includes a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Vibrant full view display. The full view display maximizes on-screen content that you can read news, check more social updates, and view videos as they were intended. Durable dragon tail glass can easily handle being tossed around your purse, bag, or pocket, and helps protect your screen against scrapes and scratches. Capture moments worth sharing. The 5-megapixel rear camera with LED flash lets you take clear photos anytime, anywhere. Adjust the aspect ratio to pre-crop photos and make social media posts right from your camera app. Go beyond the limits of the phone screen. Panorama mode, which lets you capture dramatic view, scenic photos. Fast access to the camera. For fast access to the camera, press the power button twice to quickly seize the special moments. So you can double tap the power button twice to access the camera. So that it's pretty nice. Ready, set, go. The Alcatel APPRISE runs Android 10 Go edition, providing software that is optimized and built leaner to save space and improve performance, giving you the best essential smartphone experience. Enjoy all your favorite apps like Gmail, Facebook, Light, Google Maps, YouTube, and more. Specifically designed for a lot of updates and performance. So that's good. So the Alcatel this is Android 10 Go Edition. Your dimensions are 5.76 inches high, 2.82 inches width, and 0.39 inches depth. The screen is 5.5 inches with Jack and Tail wise. The display is either 480p or 720p. I think it's 720p display depth. I think it is, but it doesn't tell you what display it is. 16 gigabytes of memory, 128 gigabytes of microSD card expansion. I'm gonna say it has 2 gigabytes of RAM. Connectivity is 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 82.11, BGN, Bluetooth 4.2, micro USB. Charging and camera at 5 megapixel front and 5 megapixel mobile flash. 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, 3000 mAh battery. So, yeah, there you guys have it. Alcatel APPRISE is not here at Quick Wireless. This is a budget smartphone. This does run Android 10 Go Edition, so you'll get like the lighter version of Android on this one for $69.99. So this would be a great backup phone. This would be a great backup phone. So yeah. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, this could be a phone to worth checking out. Like I said, it's $69.99. So yeah, there you guys have the Alcatel APPRISE now available at Quick Wireless for $69.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.